So, like, do I say what's in my mind?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So,
how are you feeling? And the smell of the food and the wait time.
The food tastes good. It smells good.
I've just been hearing about this meal all day. And also the food is not coming. I am hangry. You are gonna be biased. I haven't already tasted it. You've always been a good cook, like me.
I haven't tasted it yet, but the smell tastes good. Okay, I think we have to start again. No.
Hey effects, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've decided to do a series called Come Dine with ThandiEffect, and in this episode I'm going to be making my own variation of Rasta pasta. My mom and Mbuso are going to be the judges, so I hope you enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Mbuso and this is my confessional. The smell, very good, don't wanna lie. I cannot wait to taste this meal. I did wait a little bit, not too long, but I'm hungry, so you can't trust my judgment. I'm already hungry.
was good. It was presented nice. It was served in a bowl, which was really good for the pasta. I probably have had Rasta pasta before. I don't remember. This one was good. I don't do heat very well, so my nose was running a little bit at the beginning. I should have taken points for that, but anyway. But also hungry, that I just had to persevere with the meal, and my nose stopped running. So quantity wise, girl, you were miserly. Why'd you give me such a little food? Anyway, I think I ate much more than I should have because I was so hungry. I asked for seconds, she gave me, so I like that. In the future, I'll probably, for this dish, add a little more sauce. I think it'll be way nicer if it has got more sauce in it. So overall, it was really good. The taste was really good. You've always been a good cook, like me. It was good. Thank you. I would give it, I don't want to give you full marks. 4. I'll give it a 4 out of 5. You know, I'm not a fan of pasta, but this one is pretty good. Pretty good.
Talk about the plating, if you liked how it looked on your plate. Talk about the taste. And then rate it out of 5.
Okay. Yep, now that she's gone, I would give the presentation. I think you can see in the video, she's gonna show the, of course, this is my honest opinion. I liked the presentation, and I like the taste. It was a little bit spicy for me. I don't do spicy food that much. It's just a little bit spicy. I like jack, you know, seasoning, but it's just a little bit spicy for me. And you know, I have a weird thing when I eat spicy food. I start feeling it from the top of my head, and towards the end I could feel that. But overall, I really enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the meal. Well presented. Kudos to the chef. Really good meal, and took not that much time to prepare. Actually, it was good time, and I would like to rate it out of 5. I'll give it like a 4.6 out of 5 if we are allowed to give fractions. Yeah, 4.6 out of 5. It was very good. I enjoyed it.